Hey, and welcome back to another opportunity to hear about what's going on in the Windsor real estate market. We're here today just to chat about how the market's changed. We've also had an election, so that was interesting. You know, what's really interesting about Windsor in the election was it all went blue. So we're conservative down here. The issue, again, is per normal. The rest of the country, or at least enough of it, went liberal, and so now we're still in a minority position from that perspective. We'll see how that plays out. There are some benefits for the Windsor economy because we do have an EV plant being built here. So if we continue with the green energy projects, at least that does benefit us locally. But from the perspective of how I view it, again, you know, you guys would know that I voted conservative myself. I have a much more libertarian outlook on life. And so again, everyone had their free will choice. Canada has chosen to go with Mark Carney for the future. We'll see how that manages to play out from the business side. I did see one of the cool things that we saw from him was that he scrapped the capital gains tax adjustments. So we're back to the original capital gains structure. So for everybody who was concerned about that, that's been amended, which is really cool. As far as the Windsor real estate market goes, we're still pretty stable. We have a $582,000 average. I think last month it was $585,000. We're really much just floating within a 1% to 2% variant. We're seeing that the prices and the inventory are holding. They're climbing a little bit. We had 417 sales on the residential side, but we have 1,570 listings. So again, we're still running 3-4 months worth of inventory. If you're looking to sell, you have about a 25% chance of sales. So again, when you're out there and you're getting listed and you're looking to, okay, I want to do these next things, just understand if you're not having a professional come in and give you the right advice in the right current market, you're probably going to be a bit difficult because basically if you list your home, you have about a 25% chance of selling it if you do it for a price that you're probably going to find acceptable. As far as the overall market condition is going, I would say that with the election being over, we're going to see some stability. Hopefully we'll get to see with the tariffs with the US and how all the rest of that plays out over the next little while. So right now the market's holding stable. Interest rates are holding stable. The cost of living seems to be holding stable. We'll see what happens, of course, with gas prices over the next month. So if guys, you're looking to get an idea of what's happening next, feel free to reach out. I'd love to chat with you. I'd love to look into your ideas of where we think the real estate market's going in Windsor-Essex, where you think the economy is going in Windsor-Essex. And again, I hope that we see a massive influx as we work through this second quarter of the year, get through it, and we're all in this together. We'll see you guys next month.